fabric inspection shouldn't rely on guesswork, but manual inspection often leads to missed defects, inconsistent quality, and costly rework. That's why more manufacturers are turning to EagleAi, an AI-powered inspection system designed for accuracy and consistency. It detects defects as small as 1 millimeter in real time, reduces human error, and provides clear data to support better cutting and production decisions. Across Vietnam, Indonesia, Cambodia, and Taiwan, factories are upgrading their inspection process, and more buyers from Pakistan, Japan, and Korea are coming to Taiwan to see it in action. Because when quality matters, smarter inspection is no longer optional. Discover EagleAi with OSHIMA today.